Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am taking you to a complete home tour for 30 by 40 north facing building which belongs to Mr. Divakar Reddy. Before getting into the details, I request you to subscribe to our channel and please do share with your friends if you like the video. Here in this video you can see the front elevation of the building which is 30 feet along the road, means north, and 40 feet perpendicular to the road. The front elevation of the building is designed with beautiful mural tiles and good color gradients. Ground floor consists for one car parking, one office space in the right side which you are able to see here, and one BHK in the ground floor along with the staircase. Here you can see the beautiful design for the main door. The hall consists of a TV cabinet with dimension of 17 feet by 9 feet approx, puja room. In the southern east part you can see the kitchen which is exactly located at the Agni Mula as per the Vastu, which is made for with all lofts and the basic amenities. If you proceed further, you can see the bathroom here and a master bedroom at the Kubera Mula with wardrobes and all, everything is fixed with inside lofts. Here is the bathroom with all the fixtures, plumbing fixtures, everything is done with beautiful wall tiles, ventilator and everything. This is the washing machine point where you can fix your washing machine at this point. It's all about this floor. Here in outside you can see the preparations for this house warming ceremony is being made. This unit is the space for office building. A room of around 15 by 10 feet is provided for office. Here we are moving to first floor. This is a complete covered staircase. You can see the ceiling designed with lightings, SS railings in the front. The door, main door, such a beautiful woodwork for the main door you can observe here. This is the living hall with a space of 17 feet wide by 13 feet 7 inch. You can see the ceiling works and TV cabinet works are going on, where the TV wall is fixed to the southern wall. Such a beautiful false ceiling design you can observe. Puja room door which is faced towards the west, and again in the southeast corner you can see the kitchen which is exactly placed at the Agnimula. You can see the kitchen cabinet done such beautifully and with all the chimneys fixed. The finishing has been came out so beautifully. This is the master bedroom which is located at the southwest corner of this plot, which has a dimension of around 11 feet by 11 and a half feet by 12 feet. You can observe all the interiors with wardrobes and everything has been done. Fall ceilings has been finished with green texture ceiling, lights, ceiling lights, cords and everything has been fixed. This plot is a duplex basically, which has one bedroom and kitchen and hall at this floor and two bedrooms at the next floor. Staircase which is placed exactly at the center of this plot. If you come to the second floor, which divides into two rooms adjacent to each other. This bedroom is around 11.5 feet by 12 feet with all the fall ceiling and everything fixed. You can see the fall ceiling with white texture at the above, beautiful ventilation, wardrobes, computer desk, and with an attached toilet, which is almost about the 6 feet by 4.5 feet. Which is it's a pretty big space for attached bathroom. You can see all the plumbing items with sinks, commodes, showers, and everything are fixed. If you come out adjacent to that, another one more room is there, which is of the dimension 12.5 feet by 10 feet for children's bedroom. It is with one study table, one wardrobe, simple false ceiling with false ceiling light, which is basically designed for the concept of children's. Here also you can see the attached bathroom for a width of 6.5 feet by 4.5 feet with all the fixtures prefixed. In this floor, half of the floor is utilized for these two rooms and rest of the half floors is utilized for another 1 BHK. If you go out and start from the common staircase, you will be able to reach the second half of the portion. Means this entire second floor is half is for included in the duplex portion and another half is included in the for 1 BHK. Here is the common staircase. If you come here and enter for the second floor, you will be able to reach the that 1 BHK plot from the outside. Here also you can see the veranda has been designed with false ceiling lights. The entrance which leads to living area of around 3.5 feet by 8.5 feet with TV cabinets, which is also for renting purpose. You can see the kitchen at the southeast corner of the plot, which is again at the Agnimula as per the Vastu. And again, if you can see here, this is the master bedroom, which is at the Kuberamula, which is spaced for around 11 feet by 8.5 feet approx, which is provided with good ventilation. This is the common toilet, which is around 4.5 feet by 7 feet with all the commodes, sinks, showers, and plumbing fixtures are fixed already. And a good ventilation from the ventilator. The living is provided with two big windows which provides pretty much ventilation to the living, and the front road which is approx around 30 feet width, that the open space also provides much lighting to the building. Again, if you move to the terrace floor, it leads to one single room and a terrace where the water tanks everything is placed. Here you can see the open terrace with one isolated room over which solar is placed. If you see here, this one RK is being provided here. One big hall approx around 10 feet by 15 feet with wardrobes, loft, and a small kitchen unit also has been provided with attached toilet. This toilet is fixed with all the basic amenities. Pretty much space provided for drying the clothes, washing purpose and everything. Above this one arcade you can observe the tanks has been placed here along with solar. Hope you liked this video. If you need the floor plan of this complete building, please wait for our next part, which we will be uploading in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and please do share with your friends. Please do follow our page channel for regular construction updates. We will be sharing floor plans, home walkthrough, and similar civil technical knowledge in this channel. Please do follow this channel and subscribe. Thank you one and all.